Hello, John from OSWINMUSIC. Hi guys, this is lesson 10 of music theory. I made a big deal about learning your triads using a picture list form, an association, and we had a little bit of fun about it. And really, if you've got that really down, I'll give you a few days to get that, and if you've got that, this is going to make sense. If you haven't, it's not going to make sense. I'm just going to quickly, verbally, just go over the picture association. We had an A chord. Do you remember that one? Yeah, Sean Connery, bit of a hint, with his royal flush, with his license to thrill, with his ace of spades. Okay, spray that again. Ace of spades, A, but I've got to make a sh, C sharp, the C sharp, E, that's why. The B chord was a B-D-eyed fish, which is B, D sharp, F sharp. The C chord was keg, C-E-G. Okay, the D chord was deafade, with D, F sharp, the antenna for the F sharp, sharp here, and A for aid. The E chord, going back to Sean, eggs and bacon, with a G sharp, E, G sharp, B, eggs and bacon. Mr. Moneypenny. Push it more. F chord was F-A-C, Cockney swear word, or face without the E, F-A-C, that. Okay. G chord was great big dog. So I've done that, A, B, C, D, E, and that's all we need to do. Now that was the formula that's taking the first note, the third note, and the fifth note of its major scale and getting these pictures. Now do you remember the formula for a minor chord? A minor chord was you flatten the middle one, the third. So for instance, if I had an A, C sharp E, I'll play that on there, A, C sharp E. If I flatten the third, it becomes A, C and E. For a B chord, a B, D sharp, F sharp, you flatten the D sharp, becomes B, D, F sharp. Two sharps in key of B, by the way, D sharp and F sharp. Just remember that. The rest of them only got one or none. C chord, C, G, flatten the middle one, the E, is E flat. And D, D, F sharp A, flatten the third, D, F A. Eggs and bacon, E, G sharp B, flatten the G, sharp G. F, F, A, C, flatten the A as F, A flat C, and G is G, B, D, G, B flat D. Right, I'm just going over that. I'm really kind of throwing off mud at the wall. There's something that's going to stick, isn't it? That's what my old teacher used to say. You throw enough brown stuff against something that is going to stick. You know, we need to know these triads for this to make sense. Okay, this looks very mysterious. It looks like some sort of code. I suppose it is. But this is going to tell you why the chords demonstrated in the last lesson go from major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major. Okay, it's like a phenomenon how they come out, a natural occurring phenomenon. It's quite exquisite to behold. Let me just show you now. If you do the C major, I've done this in one key, the key is C, and I'll put tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Remember that business, Tina Turner? Shoes, and I've done it again in 2 octaves, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, if I just take the first note, miss the second, the third note, miss the fourth, fifth, so play one, miss one, play one, miss one, play one, I've got C, E, G. Any alarm bells ringing? Hopefully if you know your triads, it's keg, C, E, G, it makes sense. Okay, so the first chord of the C is C major, and that's telling you the notes of it. Now, if I keep the same patternation, go to the second note, and I'm going to do this play one, miss one pattern if you wish. If I bring the D down, play one, miss one, play one, can you follow that? F, miss one, play one. It's got D, F and A. Does that strike any alarm bells? Well, it's not a D chord because a D chord is def A, D, F sharp A, but if you flatten the F sharp, it becomes F. it's D minor, DFA, and that's why the second chord is D minor, or a minor chord in any key, but it's happened to be D in this case. I hope you're following that. Okay, I'm giving you a couple of seconds to think about that one. Now if you carry on and bring the next one, play one, miss one principles. I'm starting on E now, bringing that one down, play one, miss one, play one, E, G, miss one, E, G, B. Again, knowledge of the triads only makes sense now. E, G, B. We know egg, jam, bacon, G sharp is E, G sharp, B, but it's got an E, G, B, so it's an E minor chord, and that is what we got here, an E minor, so it comes out as a minor chord. The third chord, when it comes down in any key, happens to be a minor. Woo! Here we go, following this, we're starting on F now. Same pattern, play one, miss one, play one, miss one, play one, miss one, play one, so it's F, A, C. Face rather, so, or without the E, F, A, C. An F chord, F major. Carrying this down, G, play one, miss one, G, B, play one, miss one, G, B, D. Anybody? What's the picture? Great big dog. Okay, G, B, D, that's why it comes out as a G chord. And the alarm bell's ringing now. Here we go. A, play one, miss one, C, play one, miss one, E, that's A, C, E. Sean Connery was A spades, A, C sharp, E, but if you flatten the third, it becomes a C, A, C, E, so that must be an A minor chord. Are you with me? Okay, now I did discuss a thing called a diminished, because the natural occurring thing that comes down is a diminished now. Now, I'm going to just hold it there. I'm going to show you how to work out a diminished formula. I did it in the previous lesson. But a diminished formula's got a first, a flattened third, and a flattened fifth. So if I want to work out, say, what a B diminished is, I always start with the B major triad, which is B, D-eyed fish, B, D sharp, F sharp, it's got two sharps. You follow? Now, for a minor formula, it's first, flat, third, fifth. So, B, the flat third is D, but the F sharp range is the same, so that's a B minor. A diminished formula is first, flat, third, flat, fifth, so that's where you get the B. The D sharp becomes D, because you flatten the third, and the F sharp becomes F. Now if I bring that all the way back here, you'll understand, hopefully, why this is now a thing called a B diminished. So this is B, D, and F. It's not a B major chord, because B major, B, D-eyed fish, B, D sharp, F sharp, it's not that. It's not a B minor, because when you flatten the D sharp it becomes a D. Okay? Because you've got a flat, you've got an F, you haven't got an F sharp, so it's a B diminished. The seventh chord in any key is always a diminished. Whoa, and then we bring us back to C, E, G. So it's C major, C, E, G. DFA is D minor, EGB is E minor, FAC is F major, GBD is G major, ACE is A minor, BDF is B diminished, and CEG. So all I'm doing that is I'm explaining it in a different way here. So that's why that's tone, tone, semitone. Semitone is C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and it's C major there, D minor is there, E minor is there. It's just another way of expressing it, a different point of view. F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C major. Hang on. That's it. That's how you do it. Now, so this is always a constant in every 12 keys. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. The numbers is always a constant. It says constant here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. The chords, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major, is a constant in every key. So what do we mean by the variable? The variable is just basically the letter names. So if it was in G, it would be G, A, B, C, D, but it still have the same have the same sounds. I mean, if you play the C major scale, do, re, which is up, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if I play them in chords now, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, C major. That's got to remain the same in G. If I did the G major, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. It's just a higher up version of what I just played. It's G major, A minor, and you go then B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp, diminished, and G major. Ooh, a lot to take in there, guys. Pause and rewind and write this down, please, and have a look at it. But this will only make sense if the previous things we've done. We've covered a lot of ground, but I wanted to really go in to explain why it's those chords. Not a lot of people go into the depth of why, and I'm always one of these people who want to know why. Peel that onion and layer and go a bit deeper. Sound a bit Michael Caine there. Do you know, not a lot of people know that. You're only supposed to blow. I'm gonna see you soon.